Hello, my name is Tom. I'm really excited to share this Penis Enlargement Bible review. When I was young, I used to be so embarrassed to visit the toilet with my parents because I always used to, they always used to laugh at me about how small I was. I know some people find this difficult to understand, but when you have this feeling that you're really small and people laugh at you all the time, it's something that is really embarrassing. And people thought it was funny. Some of my peers used to think it was really funny, but my God, it really used to drive me absolutely crazy. I lost a few girlfriends along the way, and because of this condition, and it really affected my self-confidence. In fact, for some time, I really found it difficult to have a relationship with anyone, and eventually, even after I got married, it really used to affect my relationship with my wife. I find it really difficult because obviously, as most men will appreciate, it was really difficult for me to open up and seek a solution or speak to people about this because it was very embarrassing and I felt really shy about speaking about it. I started looking online. After some time, I didn't know what to do. So I didn't want to speak to anyone because I was embarrassed about it. So what I did was I started looking online for a solution. And there was so many years of frustration along the line. And but eventually, um, luckily, I found this the Penis Enlargement Bible. Now, I must say that when I found this the Penis Enlargement Bible, I was really skeptical. Um, uh, when I found this guide and this Penis Enlargement Bible, I was really skeptical. Said, well, I'll give it a go because I tried a number of other things that didn't actually work. But I must say that I was really blown away. And I've only been using it in the last 2 months, and I must say in the last 2 months, I have grown by nearly 3 inches now, and I must say that my spouse is really happy. She's complimented me about this, and she's really happy. So the reason why I'm making this thing, this review here, the reason why I'm doing this Penis Enlargement Bible review, is to speak to those people out there who might be suffering in silence or who might be sitting on the fence, not quite having the confidence to go out there and try something. This is a chance I want you to take because I was in exactly the same position as you're in at the moment. I didn't want to take that chance. I was suffering in silence. I didn't want to speak to anyone, but I urge you now to please click the link in the description box here to find out more information. And the beauty about this program is that you're also given 60 days to try this, and if you're not happy, you can get your money back. So just click the link in the box below to find out more for yourself and see if it's something that you want to try. But I'm a witness. I'm someone that's tried it, and I'm really happy about the results that I've got. All right. Thank you very much. Bye.